Browser Agent Review. Hey guys, this is Shan from IncaAcademy.com and welcome to my Browser Agent Review. So in a nutshell, Browser Agent is a brand new AI-based software that actually acts like a human. It can basically open your Chromium browser without you needing to interfere. It works 24/7 for you. It can actually click, fill forms, or submit data, or collect data from the internet. Apart from that, you can also build chains using the different missions, and you can run any complex thing that you can imagine with this amazing software. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Browser Agent Review, because I have got you covered with everything. As you can see over here, I have designed multiple missions over here, and I have actually tested this software out. I'm going to give you a full-blown demo of Browser Agent so that you exactly know what the capabilities are. Also, I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses for this Browser Agent Review. Now, if you wish to check out my bonuses anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this, and in here, if you scroll down, you are going to get any and every info on Browser Agent. That being said, do you need any tech skills? Not at all. How is it different from OpenClaw or Claude? Because this doesn't need any servers, no Dockers, no terminals, nothing to set up. Everything is done for you. It can work with plain and simple English language typing, right? So that's it. And yes, you get commercial rights with it. That means you can sell these things to anybody that you wish to. You can build a local or SEO audit report. You can do cold DM outreach. You can do affiliate review articles. You can do done for you client socials and post them 24/7, all in automation. You can do daily lead sweep on Autopilot. Now, these are some small examples of what this tool can do. This tool has a lot on offer, right? I'll show you in the demo, don't worry. Now, if you scroll further down, you can get access to my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are insane and unheard of, right? Now, I'm giving you AI Website Builder Pro. This is because it can give you leads, and to those leads, you need to pitch in a service to make money, right? So my bonuses are more intended so that you can give the services. So this is an AI website builder that can build websites, landing pages, affiliate sites, everything for you. Then I'm going to give you AI social media content suite that can post 365 days of viral content, all on automation. Then I'm going to give you AI video ad creator. I'm going to give you lead generation agency toolkit. I'm going to give you AI copywriting master suite. I'm going to give you funnel agency business blueprint. I'm going to give you over 10,000 plus Canva templates that you can readily use in any niche that you want to. I'm going to give you AI email automation suite. I'm going to give you 50,000 plus viral reels and shorts collection with AI business automation bundle. All of this. Apart from this, there are many other AI softwares. As you can see, I'm not going through all of that over here, but you can see there are plenty of bonuses available, right? Now, these bonuses are there even if you pick up only the front end. But if you do decide to take on the bundle deal, which gives you 4 premium software at the price of 1. I'll disclose that, don't worry. But if you do pick up the bundle deal, you are going to get additional bonuses, as you can see over here. First of all, you are going to get the 5-in-1 super affiliate bonus package, where you get a bonus page builder, where you get premium bonus balls, you get AI thumbnail and reel cover builder, you get vid repurpose AI and YT SEO builder AI. This is a complete set of 5 different softwares that we would ever need for affiliate marketing. Then I'm going to give you 4 exclusive bonuses, as you can see over here. And then I'm going to give you 4-in-1 premium bonus bundle, as you can see. Then I'm going to give you one-click AI sites. I'm going to give you Blog Builder Pro. I'm going to give you access to Print on Demand Design Studio AI. I'm going to give you access to Vid Builder AI Pro. I'm going to give you access to Vid Reputation Builder AI. All of that, even if you pick up the bundle deal, plus the initial bonus package. So you get the entire bonus package if you do decide to pick up the bundle deal. With that being said, I'm pretty sure you are looking forward to see how the software works. So now it's time for a Browser Agent demo within the Browser Agent Review. Then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has. I'll be revealing the bundle deal, and also I'll be revealing a coupon code by which you can get up to $50 off as well. So stay tuned till the end of this Browser Agent Review. Hey, welcome to this Browser Agent AI demo within the Browser Agent AI Review. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like, a neat and clean one, right? Now, in here, there are a few things that I want to say you. First of all, the campaigns. We call it missions over here. So you can find all the missions over here, right? Then you can find the templates. On the templates, you have built-in missions. You can see over here, like the Google Map Lead Scraper, LinkedIn Profile Researcher, Facebook Group Member Extractor, Real Estate Listing Scraper, all of these. And these are divided into categories, as you can see. Say, for example, for content and SEO, you can find these. If for forms and submissions, you can find these. For data and research, you can find these, right? So there are plenty of done-for-you stuff. Then there is a thing called Mission Builder. What the Mission Builder does is that, as you can see, I have explored this as well. This actually allows you to combine the task one after the other. That means the browser does a task, then it feeds it to the other task, and in this way a chain is formed. So a chain of tasks, you can also do that with this tool. Apart from this, you can schedule your jobs, right? And you can fetch the results from here. As you can see, all of these results are completed. You can one-click download or get them in CSV. So that's it. And the other thing that we have is called the browser profile. Now in here, you can add your profile. This is specifically needed if you want to log inside any software. Say, if you want to log inside your SEO software like GridIQ or something like that and search for trending keywords, you can save the password and login details over in a profile, and then you can use that profile for your mission. I'm going to show you that as well. So that being said, to start a new mission, you just need to come over missions, and in here you need to click on create mission. Now you got to give it a name, say dentist leads, just for an example, and then you got to say the agent what to do. So in plain and simple English, you can write, I need top 20 dentists in Kolkata with their name, email address, phone number if available, and website. Just like that, right? And then you can select a start URL. Say you want to extract it from a particular URL. You can give it over here. Now I'm going to search the internet, so I'm not giving over here anything. Then you got to select the output format. I'm selecting CSV. And then you can schedule the mission for later as well, or you can run the mission right now. So let's click on run mission now. And as you can see, it is in running status. So let's wait. Now, as you can see, you will get all the things like you can see over here. It has started running the results it's getting, right? So all of that you can see on the runtime. And as you can see here, it has fetched the data, right? You can see over here, the datas are over here, right? So you can just one click export and boom, it would be exported. You can see the download has started. So there we go. There's the result. So let's see. And there you go. There are the results. You can see there is the name, right? There's the email address. Then there's the phone number. Then there's the Google business profile. Then there's the website. There's the Instagram. There's the Facebook. There's the LinkedIn, all of that data. Now, just imagine if you could have gone ahead and yourself fetched this data, how much time would have taken you? It all happened seamlessly in the background while you could have done any work that you wish to. Now, you can go ahead and outreach them as well. To outreach, you can use the same software. Isn't that amazing? So let me show you how to do that. So for that, we are again within missions, as you can see. Now within this, you can come over to Mission Builder, right? Now this is where you can chain different workflow together. So you can just click on Create Mission Builder, give it a name, and then you can decide the output format and then click on Create. Now, as you can see, this is the Mission Builder that we have. In here, you can click on this plus and you can actually add a custom step over here, or if you want any of the done for you steps, you can just come over to this mission templates. And in here, let's go for a Google Map lead extractor. That is, we are going to extract from Google Maps, right? And then again, let's go over to mission templates. And in here, you can see there are so many stuffs that you can do. I'm just taking an example like a LinkedIn profile researcher, right? So now, as you can see, these have been joined. That means it will extract the leads and then it will forward them over here and it will do the LinkedIn research for those profiles, right? Now, in the same way, you can build as many flow as you want to. You can also add a else if branch over here. You can add a filter or transform. You can even do data processor as well. That means depending on the data, you can actually have a selective branching as well. So the opportunities are actually endless with this amazing tool, right? Now, I've already built a chain. Let me show you that. So as you can see, this is the mission impossible that I had created. So if we go inside over here, you can see this is a mission that I had created to go to hotels.com and agoda.com and search for hotels at Texas in United States for 1st July to 5th July and their pricing per night, rating and link, all of that, right? Now, if you see over here, it has done all of this for us. You can see the section, you can see where it is coming from, you can see the price, you can see the rating, you can see the linking, all of that. So it can do these kind of comparative analysis for you as well. You can one-click export and you can watch it in CSV and do all the stuff that you want to. So this is quite amazing, right? Now, that being said, I do had another mission as well, like the Google Maps and LinkedIn lead generation. So if you go over here, you can see over here what I had done is that I had listed interior decorators and I had scraped them from Google My Business and I had their LinkedIn profile as well. I had to check on that as well to ensure that they are legitimate. So you can do all of these stuffs. Now, these are some specific things that I'm showing. You can do anything and everything that you possibly can by clicking on the browser. Whatever you can do on the browser, this thing can do the same for you without your involvement. It can work 24/7 on your behalf or even for your client's behalf, and it can do everything that is possible, right? So that is quite amazing stuff to have. That being said, that's it. Now in here, there are plenty of templates as well to make the things easier for you. Let me show you how these templates work. So if you want to create a mission from a template, I've already shown you from scratch. If you want to create something from the templates, you just come over here and click on create mission. And then you can see it's giving the prompt for you. Now, all that you need to do is change these variables. Like I'm searching for, say, digital marketing agency, right? And in city, I would say Kolkata, just for an example, right? And for, I would say 20. I want 20 results. Now collect what I want to collect. Business name, phone number, website URL, address, rating, review count, opening hours. Save all the results to a structured table. That's it. You don't need to actually make any tamper over here. If you want additional data, you can write it over here. You just need to make the changes on the variables and boom, you are done, right? Now, once this is done, all that you need to do is click on run mission now and boom, the mission would start at the wink of your eyes. Now, the best part over here is that you can see whatever is happening right in front of your eyes. Just look at this, right? The browser has opened. Now the searching is going on. All of that you can see right in front of your eyes. Isn't it amazing, guys? You can see it's like somebody is working on this browser. But see, I'm hands-free, right? Nothing I'm doing. It's doing all of its own. So that's quite amazing. So that being said, that's it for this little demo of BrowserAgent AI. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. And if you really want to pick this up, then why not via my link? Because I'm offering you the best in-class bonuses that you can have for BrowserAgent AI review. Once again, don't take my words. Just go around and look what other affiliates are offering. I'm pretty much confident that none would be even close to what I've offered on my bonuses. Once you feel the same, just come back to this video that you're watching. Go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should actually take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the BrowserAgent sales page that should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. You can check out everything. And once you are happy with all that you see, you can click on this buy now button to get access to BrowserAgent along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. However, if you find any difficulties in getting them, please do consider reaching out to us on this WhatsApp number and we'd be more than happy to help you out. That being said, now it's time for the pricing. Would you believe it? The front end comes at only a price of $37, one-time price. This is a game changer. I would definitely recommend you to pick this up. Then there is the OTO one, which is the done for you empire, and this contains 90 hand-picked target list, all on top niches. Done for you outreach scripts and email sequence, done for you client proposal pricing template, first 10 client mission pre-configured for you, and the fastest path to your first commission. So you can see all of this is a totally done for you stuff, and it comes at a $197, but then I would tell you how to get it at a cheaper price as well. The next thing that they have is the Agency Pro license at $97, where you get full commercial license and you get 25 client sub accounts. You get a white level dashboard and a client management tool as well. You get branded reports and sell as your own service. The next thing is Chain Builder Pro, the one that I showed where you can build chains, right? And this is going to cost you $67. Last but not the least is Unlimited Ghost, which allows you 10 AI workers to work in parallel, which means you can have 10 missions running together. And each of the missions can have different workers. So that's quite amazing. Faster scraping, full API access, run more missions faster and always on. So if you are looking for an agency thing, then this is something that you should be interested in. Now, that being said, I find all of the OTOs are quite congruent. So what you can do is that you can just scroll down over here and you can take a look at this bundle deal. In this bundle deal, you get everything on BrowserAgent. That is the BrowserAgent plus OTO 2 to OTO 4, all of them. Alongside that, you get 3 additional software, namely Agency Reel. You also get the AI officers and you also get the premium purchase of Local AI. So Browser Agent plus Agency Reel plus AI Offices plus Local AI. 4 different softwares you get at the price of one. It only costs you $317, but then wait, there's a $50 coupon code as you can see over here. You can apply it to get it at $267. And at this price, with all my bonuses, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. So if you have the budget, I would say go for the bundle deal. It's a very much value for money deal. And the best part over here is that you get all of my bonuses to go alongside this. If you are short on budget, you can consider the front end and the OTO one. So that's the minimal that you should get into. So that being said, it brings me to an end of this browser agent review. Now, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this browser agent AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye.